Hello, this is a Work for Warriors presentation, how to quickly and efficiently search for jobs on the USAJOBS employment site. We will cover how to look up the most recent job postings, how to use the filters, and what sections to pay special attention to for the needed skills, knowledge, and abilities they're looking for. This presentation will save you the hassle of sifting through hundreds of job postings and narrow your search to those positions that are right for you. Navigating through the hundreds of positions on USAJOBS can be a bit intimidating. Figuring out what jobs you qualify for, what the job is, who the job is open to, where it's located, salary, what agencies are hiring they hiring or just collecting resumes for future openings? All this can leave many lost or confused and quit, leaving many great careers on the table. My goal is to give you some tips on how to quickly and more efficiently navigate through those positions that are right for you. The very first thing you should do, even before searching through the seemingly endless job announcements, is going to www.usajobs.gov and create your USAJOBS profile. The reason I want you to do this first is so it's ready in case you come across a position that is perfect for you, but closes that same day or has a short announcement period. This will save you time if you've already uploaded all the documents and certifications needed for the types of jobs you'll be applying for. All you need to focus on will be your federal resume. If you pay attention to the red arrows, it'll show you where those are located, where to create your job profile on. Searching for local federal jobs. To search for local jobs within your city, county, or state, just type in that information under location on the home screen. If you're looking for positions within your city, just type the name of the city. If you want to venture out a bit further outside your city limits, you could type in the county you live in, and it will show you all the federal jobs in that county. Finally, if you're open to relocating, you could enter that state, the state name, and it will show you all the jobs within that state. And how to utilize the filters. Even after selecting your location, you will still notice that there are hundreds of jobs to look through. Going through them one by one or even scrolling through the job titles will take you a long time. This is where the filters really help out and save you hours. After you have selected your location and click search, the next screen you will see is the first page of jobs in that location. You might see 20 or you might see 500. So you still need to reduce that down a bit more. Above the first job announcement, you will see a filter titled Sort By. Click anywhere in the box and select Open Date. Your page will refresh and show you the most current job announcements in that location. Searching for jobs this way will give you the most up-to-date jobs, allowing you plenty of time to gather the needed documents and forms you will need to upload, and also give you time to tailor your federal resume to that position. Utilizing the filter Continue. To the right of the job announcements, you will find additional filters to further pinpoint the jobs you're seeking and able to apply to. Select all that apply to you. After checking out the filters, you will notice that there will be less jobs that you'll have to review, saving you lots of time. Additional filters are available to assist you in finding positions based on work schedules, appointment type, travel, and security clearances. You will find these additional filters on the tab that reads More Filters. Pay attention to the red arrows. Notice where Sort By is located, clicking on the arrows and selecting Open Date. The two filters on the top will assist you in making your search a little bit better. And then notice the red arrows pointing to the right. Those are they call them hiring paths, but they're filters to further reduce the job announcements. Determining if you qualify. Once you have selected a position to review, open the job announcement and look through the following sections to see if you have the skills, knowledge, and abilities, they call them SKAs, to be successful in that job. There are 4 sections that you will review to get a feel for the duties you'll be performing and the required experience and education you will need. The sections are duties, specialized experience, how you'll be evaluated, and the questionnaire. The questionnaire is very important and it will determine the level of experience you have for the position you are applying for. Make sure your resume matches the answers you had selected on the questionnaire. You can find the link to the questionnaire towards the bottom of the job announcement in the how you'll be evaluated or how to apply sections of the announcement. Here's your hot tip. To the right side of the announcement under apply, you will see the print tab. Click on it to get a better readable view of the job announcement. It will open up in full page view, so you don't have to be clicking on it on all the read more tabs. It is also the view you will want to print and send to your veteran employment coordinator. In this illustration, view where it's at. So in this one, it's how to apply. And it's just a little link that you'll click on. And it says questionnaire, so that's what you'll be looking for. This is the button you'll click on, print, to open up to full view. This full view will be also the version you will send to your VEC. In conclusion, we hope this information gave you some useful tips to add to your toolbox and make the search for federal jobs a little more easier. If you have any questions after this presentation, please feel free to contact your VEC and get clarification. By selecting the positions that are right for you and combining with that detailed federal resume, you will start to see more success in landing federal jobs.